back here through Carpenter, and Umberger going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
All right, time now for the JNR Towing Thunder Roadsters. We mentioned some bonus money, $200 extra going to the winner tonight. Courtesy of Cole Kimball and the folks, Connor Kimball, I'm sorry, and the folks at JNR Towing. Scheduled to be a $300 to win event. Could be 5 going to a Roadster winner. 46, Justin Buttorf. He's up front. 11, a Dominic King to his outside. Row number 2, the 94, Justin Borman, and the 26A of Cale Martin. 99 is Steven Suit. 22 of Cody Buttorf back in row 3. 12 of John Healy. The 117 of Joe Suit in row 4. Row 5, the 46A W Trevor Hammett. Along with John Hammett, the 3rd, Jay Lohman, and Richard Martin, as we're out of breath. 48 steps. And Dominic King, he took 1 step forward, and that was to get around the 46 of Buttorf. King, the one-time winner a year ago, back to the stripe, and he'll lead lap number 1 of this 15-lap main event. Dominant feature winner is Buttorf won 3 a year ago. We mentioned Dominic King in the 11. He won 2. 26A, Calvin Martin. He's up there likewise. And Martin was very strong in his heat race. Top 3 very tightly bunched together as the first 2 circuits seeing the JNR Towing Thunder Roadster main event in the books. 94, Justin Borman. 22 of Cody Buttorf. The 99, defending champion Steven Suit. They're the top 6 as they come back for lap number 3. Martin, a little unusual line off that first and second turn. He lost a lot of ground to the front 2, and just a few car lengths ahead of Borman and company from 4th on back. Still King in the 11 by a couple of car lengths over Justin Buttorf back to the stripe. 4 circuits complete here in tonight's second of 5 feature events. Once again, our Save Lot American All-Star Crate Series 50-lap $5,000 to win feature event coming up next. Tonight, the debut of the Thunder Roadsters for 2026. Dominic King still looking very good. The 2-time winner from a year ago back to the stripe. Starting to slowly stretch that lead out. Calvin Martin, we mentioned a lap or 2 ago. Got a little out of shape off of 1 and 2, but he has gathered himself up nicely. With 9 circuits to go, he is pulled to within 2 car lengths of Justin Buttorf. 93 of Justin Borman, the 22 of Cody Buttorf. They remain the top 5 as they come back and hit 8 laps to go this time by. Top 3 begin to tighten up a little bit more. Dominic King only a car length, and another car length back from Buttorf to the 26A, Calvin Martin. They got a good one coming. 7 circuits left to go, and Buttorf now beginning to go to work. He's probing a little bit to see what would be the best groove to get around the 11 of Dominic King. No lead. He's right on the rear bumper as they work it back into 3 and 4. 26A, Calvin Martin in a great spot. Just looking to see what's going to happen between these 2. He'll join the fray. Top 3 very tightly bunched together. The 94 of Borman still in 4th, followed by the 22 of Cody Buttorf. 99 is Steven Suit, and then the 2A of Jay Lohman, the Dover, Delaware driver, also joining up in those front 7 machines. Challenge for second. Martin to the inside of Buttorf. Not going to happen this time by. Leaders coming up on a slower machine with 5 circuits left to go. To the inside of Trevor Hammett down in turn 3 and 4. He gives them racing room. Dominic King back to the stripe. Lap number 4 on the board left to go. Buttorf and the 46 and the 26A, Calvin Martin. Buttorf tied up with Hammett just a little bit. Couldn't keep the car down bottom. That opened the door for Martin, and that will put him up into the number 2 spot. Borman, Cody Buttorf, Steven Sue, they're all closing ranks. Top 7 cars really close together as they come back for 3 circuits to go. Martin looking to see if he can etch his name in the record books as the first winner of 2026. Justin Borman moments ago got around Buttorf in the 22. He's up into 4th. 2 laps to go this time here in tonight's J&R Towing Thunder Roadster main event. And our Birch Oil, Birch Propane caution going to hit the speedway. One driver sitting still high in turn number 1. And boy, we're going to have a great 2-lap dash to the finish. The front 7 machines had all tightened up. All right, inside 5 laps, no Delaware double file, going to be single file. Dominic King, Calvin Martin, Justin Buttorf, Justin Borman, and Cody Buttorf, the top 5. As our stormwater management green flag back in the air. King takes him off into 1 and 2. Calvin Davis, or Martin, I should say, in that 26A, shadowing him, trying to figure out the best option to get around. 46 at Justin Buttorf. He remains in 3rd. Summer Breeze, 1 to go in the air. Martin really had a head of steam coming down the front straightaway. He may try to see if he can use that outside line. The 11 of Dominic King is there. He pinches him off. Martin taking a peek down to the inside. Little bit of a bump in turn 3 and 4. Top 3 right there together, and off of turn 4, Dominic King coming away with the win. Photo finish for 2nd. Give it to the 46 of Buttorf. 26A of Calvin Martin with a great run. 94 of Justin Borman and the 22 of Cody Buttorf. They make the top 5, and what a great start to the J&R Towing Thunder Roadsters for tonight. As I can. There it is. I would say that was an earned victory. Dominic, congratulations. That was a very hard-earned effort.
Yeah, it was a hard, this cart. As you see, she's hot. But I wasn't giving that up. Can you do what? No. I mean, all I can say is, you know, X Performance built the motor. J&R Towing for sponsorship this year. Lincoln Epoxy. I couldn't thank that man no more right there. A flag man standing up there watching me with this car.
I think you almost need a flagman to help you a little bit and shorten the laps up, because Calvin Martin, Justin Buttorf, and a ton of them. I know these cars are pretty loud, but can you hear them? Can you hear them when they're right behind you?
No, I can't hear none of them. I see forward. I don't look back.
Well, you had a battle on your hands, because Calvin on that restart, he was trying to figure high and then maybe low. But you got 2 victories a year ago, and you're off to a heck of a start. There's no doubt about it. I think the front 7 machines were all right there at the very end. You weren't holding anybody up. That was just some good, hard racing, and says a lot about these Thunder Roadsters. They always put on a fantastic show here.
Yeah, you can't win all the races if you don't start with the first one.
All right. Other than that, are the sponsors, you catch everybody? Anybody else you'd like to thank here tonight?
Hood signs, and that's pretty much it, man.
All right, Dominic, go celebrate this one. A hard-earned victory is Dominic King taking his first J&R Towing Thunder Roadster feature event of the season.